Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your Oxford Progressive English book and open your page number 38. Today we are starting Unit 7, Lesson 3, Reading Pink Spaceship. What is a spaceship? A spaceship is a vehicle used for travel in a space. Listen as you read the story. This is very interesting story. Pink lives in a spaceship. She has lots of things. She has 11 TVs, 12 mobile phones and 13 computers, but she is not happy. Look at her. She has a lot of things, but she is not happy. Pink can do lots of things. She can fly from star to star. She has ability to fly star to star. She can jump over hills. Look at this picture. She can jump over hills with the help of spaceship. She can swim across the sea, but she can't sit still. She always moving here and there. Gul Khan lives on a farm in the hills. He has 12 goats, 11 sheep, 13 apple tree and a small car. Look at this picture. He is a Gul Khan. Gul Khan lives on a farm. Farm is an area of land used for growing crops and rearing animals. He can't fly, he can't jump over hills, he can't swim across the sea, but he can sit still. Look at this picture. He can't fly, he can't jump over hills, he can't swim across the sea, but he can sit still. Now look at your page number 39. One day, Pink looks down from the spaceship. She sees the Earth. Look at this picture. This is the picture of Earth. She goes down and she lands near the Gul Khan farm. She sees the big hills and green trees. She sees his sheep and goats. How lovely, she says. Can I stay at your farm? Gul Khan welcomes her. You're welcome, says Gul Khan. Gul Khan looks at her spaceship. He goes inside and he sees her 11 TVs, 12 mobile phones and 13 computers. How funny, he says. Can I go away in your spaceship? You're welcome, says Pink. So Gul Khan go away in the spaceship. He learned to fly from star to star. He learns to jump over hills. He learned to swim across the sea. And Pink stays in Gul Khan farm. She learns to sit still. In this story, Gul Khan learned how to fly and Pink learns how to sit. Now look at B part. Answer these questions. Where does Pink live? She lives in a spaceship. What does Pink have? She has 11 TVs, 12 mobile phones and 13 computers. What does Gul Khan have? He has 12 goats, 11 sheep, 13 apple tree and a small car. What can Pink do? She can do a lot of things. What can't Pink do? She can't sit still. Now look at your page number 40. Unit number 7, lesson 4, sentences. Complete the sentences using the words in the box. You have these words: my, your, their, his or her. Okay, example. He is brushing dash teeth, his teeth. She's combing dash hair, her hair. Is this dash bag? Is this your bag? And her replied, yes, it is dash bag, it is my bag, thanks. 4. He is wearing dash cap. He is wearing his cap. They are reading dash books. They are reading their books. Now look at B part. Answer these questions using yes I can or no I can. If you have any ability, then you answer yes I can, and if you don't do something, you answer like no I can't. Okay. First question is, can you fly? No I can't. Can you eat? Yes I can. Yes I can. Can you swim? No I can't. Can you read? Yes I can. Can you jump over a box? Yes I can. Can you jump over hills? No I can't. Now look at your page number 41, unit 7, lesson 5, writing. Choose the right phrase for each picture from the box. Okay, what is phrase? The term phrase refers to a group of words that does not include a subject and a verb. No subject-verb combination. Here we have some phrase sentences like I'm hot, they are cold, he's angry, we are sleepy, you're welcome, it's afraid, she is sad, I'm thirsty. Okay, look at this picture. This girl, I'm hot, and look at her, she is sad. And look at them, they are cool. Look at him. It's a welcome expression, so you write you're welcome here. Look at him, he is angry. Look at them, you write here we are sleepy phrase. Okay, look at this, it's afraid. And look at him, he feeling thirsty, so you write I'm thirsty phrase here. Okay, look at B part. Now write sentences in complete form. Okay, it is your homework. You do B and C and D exercises in your neat handwriting and do it properly. And page number 42 and 43, it is also your homework. Look at your page number 44, unit 8, checkup time. Listen and write the correct day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. On Monday, Pink eats 20 meatballs, and on Tuesday she eats 15 cakes, and on Wednesday she eats 12 samosas, and on Thursday she eats 13 bananas, and on Friday she eats 5 fish. Now look at your D part. Use the letters E, she, sh and O to make words. Example, SHOWER, shower, star, shark, tree, spoon, card, 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 sheep, book, shell. And page number 45 is your homework. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.